Good day, tech readers. Today we'll be discussing the Fitbit Alta HR, which is a recent update on the original Fitbit Alta, which now has a heart rate monitor included. It's still one of the smallest, slimmest, most pretty looking fitness trackers we've seen on the market. It's not cheap, but it now includes the heart rate monitoring. It has a very tiny screen, and you can tap to change the information you're receiving on your screen. But of course, if you've got great big man hands like mine, that doesn't always work out terribly well. It gives you the usual time display, your step count, your calorie burn, and even the distance you've covered. Of course, the distance you've covered is estimated based on the height that you've given the app. And on that basis, it calculates your steps based on your height and calculates the distance you've covered. So it is an estimation, it's not accurate, not like GPS. One of the biggest advantages of having a simple, small, monochromatic screen like this one is that you have extremely good battery life. This one will last easily 5 days, possibly even longer. It's not recommended for any kinds of serious sports activities. I wouldn't recommend it for running. What you want to do with this is perhaps yoga classes, a little bit of light gym, certainly walking. That kind of thing would be fine. Anything beyond that, it doesn't really carry enough useful metrics for you to get value out of the device. As I said, it's definitely a fashion-forward kind of device. The straps can be removed and any number of additional straps substituted in. The straps cost in the region of 400 Rand. And this is what the tiniest Fitbit looks like on a man wrist. That's next to my full-sized Fitbit watch. For the Fitbit Alta HR, now with heart rate monitor, you're paying 3,000 Rand.